What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? It's SkinnyBoyRandy. One of my berries have come up. You know the little pods we planted? You guys were with me when I did it. I'm trying to hold it because it's under the grow light. And I'm making this video alone. So, yes, you guys. It's right there. Let me point to it so you can see it. Right there. Look, one of the berries came up. And guess what? I don't know if it's blackberry, blueberry, raspberry, or strawberry. I don't know. I'm just going to separate each part and we're going to see it together, you guys, okay? We don't know which one is which. Because the worst fear happened. Forgot which ones were which. Well, no, they kind of fell over, you guys. So we got blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, 3 different types of strawberries. So we're gonna plant everything in different places in the yard so they can grow. Oh, can you see it over there? It's over there, y'all. She done show her little face already. Somebody's showing off. There you go. I ain't mad at you. All right, you guys. I love you. Just SkinnyBoyRandy. Peace, love, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. These are strawberries, you guys. And look at my peppers. My peppers. My peppers are like so strong. These are going to be big bell peppers, you guys. And they just are doing their thing with the lighter. Because they deserve the spotlight. And this is just my little grow light, you guys. Inside the house. Yes, I'm always planting. I don't video every single thing. I try to. You know how I do. I love you guys. So, you have any ideas or tips? Let me know. But yeah, our berries are growing. Our peppers are growing. We're about to have a great season, you guys. I love you. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff. Love on your family. It's SkinnyBoyRandy. Peace out. Love you guys.